Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. This channel I talk about cryptocurrencies, and trust me guys, I'll be teaching you guys more stuff outside cryptocurrency, how to make money online. Now a lot of people want to make money online. They want to make money from cryptocurrency, they want to trade, they want to do shit coins and stuff. I understand perfectly, but then there are so many ways you can make money online outside cryptocurrency. And one thing I've decided to do is I've made up my mind. I'm going to be sharing my knowledge with you all, teaching you guys all the stuff I do to make money online outside cryptocurrency. And there are so many ways to make money online. Some people will tell you about Amazon Kindle, they'll teach you drop shipping and so many stuff, but the ones I have done are the ones I'll be revealing to you guys here. I'll be teaching you step by step how to make money from YouTube. I make money from YouTube. My YouTube channels are monetized. I have 3 YouTube channels, and how to quickly create your content, rank your content, get your watch hours, all those strategies. I'm going to be revealing them on this platform. 1. Number 2, how to make money from affiliate marketing. I have made a lot of money from affiliate marketing. It's not something I should hide. You know, it's people that know me. When I created my channel, the early videos I made, I dropped videos on affiliate marketing. Some people followed me particularly so that I can teach them how to make money on affiliate marketing. But for some reasons, I just tilted towards crypto and I started talking about cryptocurrency. I'll be teaching you guys how to make money from affiliate marketing. So don't be surprised when you see content on affiliate marketing on this channel, right? And I've also made money from blogging. I have a website, you know, and I made money from blogging. There are various ways to make money from blogging. You can get the Google AdSense, put affiliate links on your blog, and you can actually use Ezoic. Ezoic also pays very well. I'll be teaching you guys all these methods and all these steps. Basically, the idea behind all this is for me to give back value. I've seen a lot of people create YouTube channels teaching people theory, trying to explain to them how to make money online without showing them proof and showing them practical ways. And what I'm coming here to do, you'll be seeing my face once in a while, but most of the time I'll be on my computer screen showing you guys everything. And if this is the kind of content you want, you really have interest in learning how to make money online in dollars, particularly in dollars, right? Make sure you like this video so that I can see the engagement and the reaction. And if you think you are ready, you are pumped, you want us to do this, just leave a comment. Let's do this, let's go. So if you leave that comment, I know that yes, you are really serious, you want to make money online. Yes, I will not stop my crypto content. No, I will not stop my crypto content. I'll continue to make videos on cryptocurrency, the crypto news, the crypto updates, and I'll continue my trading video. I started a trading tutorial that I paused for a while. I'll continue my trading video. I'll be doing everything together. The idea is for me to give more value, engage more people, and interact more with you guys, right? So that at the end of the day, we all grow together, we win together. Thank you for stopping by. This will be the end of this video. My next video, I'll be talking about the various ways to make money online and the strategies you need to adopt, particularly affiliate marketing. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, I think I'm done.